Hello everyone and welcome back to the Sport Horizon YouTube channel. I'm Jay, one of the data tutors, and in today's Power BI for Sport tutorial I'm going to teach you how to use the top end filters feature within your visual in Power BI. Have you ever faced a challenge whereby, let's say you have a visual in Power BI and you want to implement a rank-based classification to this? Well, within this tutorial I'm going to show you how to do exactly that. But before I begin, I'm just going to quickly recap what rank-based classifications actually are. Rank-based classifications is essentially whereby you're giving Power BI a statement and you're saying, based on this condition, show me this. So that could be, let's say, show me the top 5 highest values for this particular metric. And that enables you to see who the top performers were for that particular metric. Likewise, you can go in the opposite direction too and say, show me the bottom 5, and you can see the players who were towards the lower end of the session for that particular metric. So it's a really useful thing to have and to learn, as it just adds that extra bit of insight into your visualizations and your dashboards too. So I'm now going to jump straight into the tutorial now. So the very first thing you want to do is that you want to have Power BI set up and you want to have your data already loaded in. After that, what you want to do is you want to have any form of graph. So within this instance, I'm going to build a bar chart and I'm going to do that from scratch. So to do that, I'm just going to click on this small arrow here by visualizations, and I'm just going to have a really simple sort of bar chart with player full name and total distance. So within the data section here, I'm just going to search for player full name. So player full name, I'm going to drag that to the y-axis and also total distance too. It's always good to expand this if you want as well, just like that. So within this example, I want to see the top 5 for total distance, and I only want the top 5 values to be shown on this graph. So this doesn't involve any color conditioning. This is solely changing the graph itself. So I'm just going to click on the graph here, and I'm then going to go to this arrow by filters here too. Now under player full name, I'm going to click on this arrow here, and under filter type, I'm going to click on the arrow again, but this time I'm going to select top N. You are then presented with this. Well, essentially, you want to now give Power BI your statement. So, show items. So I want the top, and let's say, as I said before, I wanted to see the top 5. So within this section here, I'm just going to type in the number 5 as I want to see the top 5. And in by value here, this essentially is where you want to filter this, but what metric you want to filter this by. So I want to see the top 5 for total distance. So I'm just going to put total distance within this section here. So total distance, I'm just going to drag it over and I'm going to select apply filter. And as you can see, it has now changed to only showcase the top 5 only. You can always go back and change this as well. Let's say if you wanted to see the top 3 and not the top 5, make it a little bit more concise. I can just go back and type in 3 and select apply filter. And as you can see, the top 3 now appears. As I said before, you can also go in the opposite direction too, and let's say see the bottom values. So to do that, what you want to do is just click on this small drop down arrow here and select bottom. And you can type in any number you want. Let's say I wanted to see the bottom 5, and I can select apply filter. And as you can see, the bottom 5 now appear too. So that's a really handy thing to take note of as well. Another thing I wanted to showcase is how this works with filters too. So this does work with filters, which is a great feature that Power BI has as well. So I'm just going to implement a really simple filter. So I'm just going to put our slicer up on the screen here, and I'm just going to filter by session date. Let's just do that for this example. Session date, I'm just going to drag this over here. And I'm then going to make this a drop down too. So I'm just going to quickly do that, go into slicer settings and select drop down. And I'm going to select any session, let's say this date. And as you can see, the bottom 5 now appears in accordance to the session date filter as well. I really hope you found today's tutorial useful. If you have, please click the like button and click subscribe too. Definitely check out our website as well. Link to that would be in the description down below. And I just wanted to say thank you so much for watching, and I hope to catch you in the next one. Bye bye.